summer heat ho ya mood off. But this latest frozen watermelon bowl is my ultimate fix for this summer season. It's just like ice cream but little desi, spicy, tangy and awesomely refreshing. Chalo, let's make it. Step 1. Freeze some watermelon chunks overnight and then shave them like this. Look at the texture, just like a sorbet. Then add your fluffy, icy watermelon to a cute bowl because presentation bhi bahut zaruri hai boss. Now comes the Desi tadka. Sprinkle a magic masala mix which is black salt, red chili powder, jeera powder and chaat masala and mix it well. Then thoda sa natural sweetness के लिए drizzle some honey. It balances the spice perfectly. Then इसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा मसाला मिक्स डाल दो and your frozen ice shaved watermelon chaat is ready. Make this and let me know how it was. And don't forget to follow my Instagram page as well. Bye.